What is up, Heat Nation? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about something that goes way beyond the box score or the standings in the Eastern Conference. We all know that Miami isn't just a city, it's a gateway to the Caribbean, and the bond between South Florida and Jamaica is unbreakable. Right now, our family in Jamaica is facing an uphill battle following the catastrophic impact of Hurricane Melissa, the Category 5 storm that tore through the island back in late October. The numbers coming out of the recovery effort are staggering. Over 120,000 roofs destroyed, billions in infrastructure damage, and thousands of families in parishes like Westmoreland and St. Elizabeth still struggling to find a sense of normalcy. But in true Miami fashion, the Heat organization is stepping up to show that Heat culture means taking care of our own. The Miami Heat have officially announced that Tuesday, January 13th, will be Jamaica Night at the Kaseya Center as they take on the Phoenix Suns. This isn't just your average theme night. It's a massive philanthropic effort aimed directly at the rebuilding process in Jamaica. The organization has already shown incredible leadership by pledging $1 million alongside the Mickey and Madeline Arison Family Foundation and Carnival Corporation. But Jamaica Night is where the fans get to be the MVP of the relief effort. A portion of the proceeds from every ticket sold through the special Jamaica Night link is being donated to hurricane recovery. This is about more than just a game. It's about turning the energy of 20,000 fans into tangible help for people who have lost everything. The atmosphere inside the Kaseya Center is going to be absolutely electric. The Heat are leaning all the way into the culture, so you can expect the arena to be transformed into a celebration of Jamaican heritage. We're talking about a full takeover of the sound system with the best in reggae and dancehall, and I'm hearing that the concession stands will be featuring authentic island flavors for the night. But the biggest headline for the evening is that Jamaican dancehall legend Sean Paul is expected to be in the building. He'll be making a special halftime appearance to meet with fans on the court, and there are even exclusive ticket packages available that include a meet and greet with the legend himself. All the funds raised through these initiatives are being channeled through Food for the Poor, an organization that Sean Paul has been working with closely to ensure supplies get to the hardest hit rural areas. It's also worth mentioning that the heart behind this night extends to the locker room. Norman Powell, who has been a force for the Heat and has deep roots in Jamaica, has personally stepped up with a $100,000 donation through his own foundation to support the cause. Seeing the players, the front office, and cultural icons like Sean Paul all pull in the same direction is exactly why this franchise is different from any other in the NBA. Jamaica's Consul General to Miami, Oliver Mayer, said it best: "The Heat have always been an integral part of this community, and this Jamaica Night gesture is truly a magnificent show of corporate responsibility." So, if you're planning on going to the game on January 13th, make sure you use the official Jamaica Night ticket link provided by the team. This ensures your seat in the building actually contributes to the rebuilding of schools, clinics, and homes across Jamaica. If you can't make it to the arena, I've put links in the description below where you can donate directly to Direct Relief and Food for the Poor. Let's show the world the power of the 305 and the strength of our connection to the 876. Don't forget to like this video to help the algorithm spread the word, and subscribe for more updates on Heat culture and our community. I'll see you at the Kaseya Center. One love. Thanks for watching, and please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel to get more content like this. Click the link on screen now to watch another Jamaican video. Catch you in the next video.